G'day, I'm Alister Christie from LearnDelphi.tv, and this is a brand new VCL application. What I'm going to do is function turning a string, and I'm just going to use class completion, Control-Shift-C to declare that. So your kung fu is good, and you said is an incorrect spelling, but that's fine. So that function will behave exactly as you expect, and if I throw a button on there and do a show message, oops, try that again, of foo, and we run that, we can indeed see that that returns what we expect. But the interesting little bit of esoterica that I want to show you is we can also say foo. So use the function name, and this will return exactly the same thing. So this is pretty well fully supported in Delphi. I think it's part of the original Pascal specification, and we can use the rename refactoring. So Control-Shift-E, and no, it's not going to do Control-Shift-E, so we'll do a refactor, rename, call it foo, and as you'd expect, it's all pretty much working just fine. So this is kind of very uncommon usage. You normally use result, but you might have a large procedure, and in it somewhere, someone might have done something like this, and you look through the function, and you see that everywhere where result is set is exactly how you want it, but you've missed this foo here because you're not expecting it. And other possibilities is maybe you've done a refactory and removed a local variable or something like that of the same name, because that will return your kung fu is good. But of course, without the variable, the function name has scope rather than the variable, and we get 3. So it is something to be aware of. I only really see it in quite legacy code. I've not used that syntax in decades, almost literally, I think, probably 20 years. So yeah, might be able to say decades. Result is pretty much the way you should write it, but you may come across this in some code, and it can catch you up if you're not expecting it. So that's all I wanted to say in this video. If you thought this was interesting, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next exciting episode.